Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Stag Stuff. Today we're going to do a little bit more maintenance. We're going to do a gearbox oil change. Hopefully I'm going to break my duck of bad luck, and this is going to be a nice, easy, straightforward project to do and shouldn't take too long. So let's get on with it. Okay, so two things to do the job. Obviously, the oil, EP8090, is what you want for a Stag, and then to make the job easier, you want one of these because it is a bit of a to get to the filling cap to be able to actually put the oil in. So if you've got something with like a flexible hose like this, and you can then just pump the oil in, it does enough make the job easier. So let's jack the car up, get underneath, and we'll drain down the gearbox oil. And the car is nice and warm at the moment, so hopefully that'll make that job nice and easy. Okay, one gearbox, one clutch, overdrive. Oh, where are we now? Overdrive just here, and we have got a nice stonking great big bolt to undo. That will then drain the gearbox. In a manual, which is what this is, the gearbox oil also supplies the overdrive as well, and as you can see underneath here, I do have the Triumph Stag patented anti-rust system. Or shall we actually call it a leak? Oh, the right size. Oh, bloody hell it is. Okay. Oh, there we go. Right, something to catch the oil with, and I'm going to make sure I can beat a hasty retreat once it's draining. There it is, straight underneath. Oh, there we go, straight onto it, fabulous. Okay. It's pretty clean actually, that oil does. Are you ready to see something really interesting? Because on the end of the plug, so you've got this little, pointy outy bit, and you'll be thinking, what on earth is that for? That is magnetized, and the reason it's magnetized is so that in the gearing, for some reason or other, you know, there's any wear on it, any little bits of metal will get picked up by the magnet, and so it stops the damage to the gears in the gearbox. Fabulous. Anyway, enough waffle, David. Let's go and put this back on. Nice and tight, we don't want any leaks. There we go. And now, to get to the one just underneath there, just there. Oh, that's that went off easy. You know, I always get worried when something comes off easy nowadays. Now, we're gonna charge up the squirty thing. So let's got this, pop that into here, suck it up. I would show you that, but I'm not going to move the camera. Not because I'm being an awkward bastard or anything like that, but just because I'm an awkward bastard. So we go, we have that there. Pop the aforesaid tube in here, and now what we're going to do, pump it in. And there we go. And then you know when it's got enough in, because it will then start to overflow. And the point that it starts overflowing is the fill point, as far as this is concerned. Right. And one thing you can't do with it, doesn't look I'm doing anything here, but I'm actually just slowly squeezing. You can't do this too fast, just because of the viscosity of it. But this pump does enough make a nice, clean, easy job of it. Plunge 3. We are now starting to overflow. That's exactly where we want to be. So let's put this back in. Well, amazing. As you guys know with my track record just lately, things don't normally go right, but that one actually worked. Hope you've enjoyed this, and stay well, stay safe, and if you have liked, do please click the like, subscribe, and the bell button, which will remind you of when more Stag stuff comes up for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click on the like and subscribe buttons. And if you click on the bell, YouTube will be good enough to even notify you when we post new videos.